Hi all, welcome back. And in this video, I know I said in the last one that I was going to be moving on to the form creation for the contact section, but I think it's probably a good idea to create the scroll to top button so we don't have to keep doing this. And then this, and keep going backwards and forwards. So let's do that. Let's just get it out of the way. So where do we want to put it? Well, where's the container? Is this the container? Yeah, well, it doesn't really matter where we put it, to be honest with you. So let's put it after the container. Yeah, why not? So let's do a div with a class of scroll btn. Yep. Within there, I'm going to actually create an anchor tag, and that is going to go up to nav. And in here, well, we'll get to that bit in a minute. Let's just save that. And we opened up in yeah. Okay, let's just stick something in here for now. Let's just the old rubbish. Save. Where are you? Probably somewhere at the bottom. There you are. So okay, so it is working. Live server is functional. So what do we want to do? Let's style it. Right. So let's go up here. Let's do the comment of scroll to top button. Yeah. And we gave it a class, didn't we? Of scroll button. What do we want to do? Display block. There's no reason to do flex with this. And height. Let's give it 50 pixels and the same with the width. 50 pixels. So let's give it a border so we can see it, shall we? Border 1 pixel solid. Red, save. And there you can see it's down here. So let's place it somewhere. So we want position fixed because we never want it to move. And we want it on the right side, so we want it 0 pixels from the right. Save that. You should see it somewhere. Where is it? Probably gone back up to the top. Disappeared, you little minx. Right, let's do then bottom 100 pixels. Save. There we go. There it is. So then, we don't really want it to have a red border, do we? No. So let's give it a background color of RGB. Let's give it 176240 195. Save. If you're wondering where I've got these colours from, I've obviously done this before, and I've just picked them out there here, and you know it's given me the value there, but I've just picked them out of here and it sets it for you. So we can get rid of that border now. So it looks daft. There we go. We're going to give it a font size because we're going to put an arrow in there, which is technically a font. So let's do 1.5 rem. Actually, let's go and do that. So in here, we're going to put an ampersand and then up arrow with semicolon at the end. Save. And now you can see we've got an up arrow font. Okay, so obviously we don't want it to be that colour. Well, not obviously, but I'm going to change the colour. Just green. There we go. We want to give the actual button a box shadow. Box shadow 0, 2, 3. So that's X, Y blur and RGBA. And as usual, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.3. There we go. You can see it's got a little bit of a drop shadow there. So let's sort the border radiuses out. Border radius. Now, got to remember which way around these go. I know they go clockwise, so we can do 6 pixels. So I'm hoping it starts top left, but I can't actually remember. So 0 for top right, 0 for bottom right, and 6 for bottom left. Is that right? Wow, look at that. Right, first time. Happy days. Right, we need to sort out the anchor tag inside it now. So let's sort that. So scroll, button, anchor tag. So we want to display that as a block. And we want to get rid of that underline. None. There we go. And we want width. Oops. Want a width of 100% of the container and a height of 100% of the container. And then we want to obviously align the text to the center and give it a line height of 3 rem. There we go, bang in the middle. Now, does this work? Indeed it does. So that will stay there all the time. Go down to mission, scroll back up, go to about, scroll back up, team, scroll back up. I think you've got the idea. And that's that. So, promise, in the next one we'll do the form. So, I'll see you there.